China has locked down another province as it battles its worst COVID-19 outbreak since March. More than 100 new infections have been recorded for the 7th day in a row. Beijing is also facing renewed pressure from the international community over its initial handling of the pandemic. Olivia Seong has more from Beijing.
After bringing the COVID-19 outbreak within its borders largely under control, China is now battling its worst outbreak in almost a year, as cases continue to emerge in the northern part of the country. Health authorities reported 118 new coronavirus cases on Tuesday, 43 in northeastern Jilin, a new daily record for the province. Infections were also confirmed in Heilongjiang and Hebei province, which surrounds Beijing, the Chinese capital, which itself reported one new case. This new wave of the virus is causing concern, especially as the Chinese New Year or Spring Festival holiday approaches. Millions have been placed under lockdown, and cities have issued advisories telling people not to travel to their hometowns this year. A fourth northern province, Liaoning, has also imposed quarantines and travel restrictions. There's also concern about a growing number of asymptomatic cases, which China does not count as part of its tally. Health authorities reported the case of an asymptomatic superspreader in Jilin province who was linked to over 100 infections. This comes as a team of World Health Organization experts are in Wuhan to investigate the origins of the virus. They arrived last week and are in the midst of serving a 14-day quarantine. The U.S. has called for a transparent WHO-led investigation, and on Monday, a health official called for scientific studies done by China to be shared. China, however, called for a stop to any political pressure. On Monday, an independent panel also issued a critical report on China's response to the outbreak. It said authorities could have applied public health measures more forcefully in January to curb the initial outbreak. It also slammed the WHO for not declaring an international emergency earlier. The Communist Party-linked Global Times, however, defended China's actions. In its report, it said no country could perform perfectly in the face of a novel virus. Olivia Seong, CNA, Beijing.